Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a clean and declutter for you. I've been coming home after work and I've just picked certain spots in the house that needs a lot of attention. First of all, I started off in my laundry room. I just had a little bit of laundry to pick up, and then I slowly made my way into the dining room. My china cabinet in the drawers and in the very bottom, it's a mess. So I wanted to get all that stuff out and organize it, and so I took the time out to do that. Y'all, I just want to go ahead and apologize that it has taken me so long to get up another video. We ran into some computer issues and we ended up having to rebuild a computer, and it's working out really good so far. For those of you that don't know me, I love to craft, and this china cabinet is full of craft stuff. It's just where I've just kind of like shoved it in there and just out of sight, out of mind type of thing. And I'm trying to get it all together because we are working on the downstairs. I'm trying to create a craft room down there, and that's where it's eventually going to go. So I'm just trying to get it all together, get it moved, just out of the dining room. That way, it doesn't really need to be in there. So we're trying to get it all situated and out of the way for the time being. I'm just stepping into the living room where I can take out this extra piece of curtain that's in between my curtains. It's like a sheer piece, but it gives off a glare when the sun shines through on that side of the house, and it kind of irritates my eyes. So I'm just gonna take that down and see if that helps. My bathroom vanity is also a mess underneath, so I wanted to take everything out and reorganize it, get it all straight and everything. I want to show you guys this door that my husband made. I love the way that it turned out. It's got that barn style to it, and also the wood that's beside this door is barn wood. It's actual barn wood that we tore down from an old barn that someone gave us, and we used it in our bathroom. And also the countertop in this bathroom, we actually made that also. We stained it, and my husband cut a hole out for the sink to go in, and I love the way that it turned out. Guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some motivation, and I will see you in the next video.